Hi, this is Jeevaratnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. Gonorrhea is an infection caused by a sexually transmitted bacterium that infects both males and females. Neisseria gonorrhoea bacteria are responsible for gonorrhea. It's a species of gram-negative diplococci bacteria. They thrive in warm, moist environments, and the infection can develop in any of the body's mucous membranes, including those in the genitals, mouth, throat, eyes, and rectum. It can spread easily. Sexually active people of any age or gender can get gonorrhea. The gonorrhea bacteria are most often passed from one person to another person during sexual contact. And if you have gonorrhea without any symptoms, there is an increased risk for spreading gonorrhea without knowing it. And also, if the mother is infected with gonorrhea, it can transmit to your newborn babies during delivery. In early stage of the infection, it's little easy to treat, but any delays can result in serious and sometimes permanent complications. In women, gonorrhea can spread into the uterus and fallopian tubes, and it causes pelvic inflammatory diseases, that is PID. PID can result in scarring of the tubes and cause greater risk of pregnancy complications and infertility. In men, untreated gonorrhea can cause scars in the urethra, inflammation in the testicles, prostate pain and inflammations. And another complication trusted source is epididymitis, which is an inflammation of the tube that carries sperm. This too can result in infertility. If the bacteria present in semen or vaginal fluid, that it may enter the eye, and it can cause conjunctivitis, that is commonly called pink eye. The gonorrhea bacterium can also spread through the bloodstream and infect other parts of the body, and can cause the swollen and painful joints, liver inflammation, heart wall damage, and brain damages. Fever, rash, skin sores, joint pain, swelling, and stiffness are some of the possible symptoms. And having gonorrhea makes you more susceptible to the infection of human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV, and that it may lead to AIDS. People who have both gonorrhea and HIV are able to pass both diseases more readily to their partners. Babies who contract gonorrhea from their mothers during birth can develop blindness, sores on the scalp, and infections. Now we see the role of planets, signs, and houses for sex diseases. Sex urge and sex organs are represented by Venus. Libra sign and 7th house, which represents semen. Venereal diseases are represented by 8th house, Scorpio, 8th lord, and Venus. Planets Mercury and Saturn that reduce sex urge. If any of these planets, houses, and signs become afflicted, it may lead to sexually transmitted diseases. Gonorrhea is caused when the moon in watery sign and lord of the sign in the 6th house being afflicted by malefics. Everyone with gonorrhea needs treatment to stop the infection from progressing. Most often, antibiotics are used for the treatments. However, this disease nowadays become resistant to antibiotics and it makes harder to treat. So, it's more important to prevent the infection than treatment. Neisseria gonorrhea is a common STD and it's an obligate human pathogen that it causes important worldwide morbidity both in resource abundant and resource limited nations. And its diagnosis and treatment require costly expenditures. Like other sexually transmitted infections, gonorrhea strangely impacts young adult populations. Gonorrhea symptoms include pain and discharge from the penis or vagina, but many people they do not have symptoms yet. If you think if you are having gonorrhea or you had unprotected sex, then subject yourself for the yearly screening. With prompt treatment, you can cure gonorrhea and avoid long-term health problems. The best way to avoid gonorrhea is to use condoms or dental dam during any sexual activity. Finally, it's always better to prevent the infection before you get enter into the treatment. I hope you might have enjoyed this video anyway. Take care, bye. We will meet you soon in my next video. Thanks.